Okay, let's dive right in. Today, we're building your very first AI agent. And the best part, you don't need to know a single line of code. We're going to break down a super simple but incredibly powerful workflow that you can set up in just a few minutes. You know that feeling, right? If you're a creator, a marketer, anyone who needs to stay on top of what's new, it's this constant pressure to come up with fresh, engaging ideas. It can be absolutely exhausting. It's a pain point pretty much everyone in the digital world feels. And that is the exact problem we are solving today. We are going to take that daily struggle and turn it into a completely automated, effortless process, all using AI technology that's, believe it or not, super accessible. So here it is, the solution, your own personal AI assistant. We're going to build an agent that works for you 24/7, in the background, hunting down news and spinning it into creative gold. And the best part? We're doing it on a no-code platform that literally anyone can use. So, what in the world is an AI agent, really? Let's keep it simple. Just think of it like a little assembly line of tasks that you set up one time. It goes out and finds info, uses AI to think about it, tidies up the results, and then just delivers them to you, all by itself. The tool we're going to be using for this is called Make.com. What's so brilliant about it is that it's all visual. You're not writing lines of code. You're just connecting apps together like they're digital Lego blocks. It makes the whole thing really intuitive. And hey, don't underestimate what you're about to learn here. This is a seriously valuable skill. I'm not kidding. Businesses are paying consultants anywhere from $10 to, $20,000 to set up these exact kinds of automated workflows. All right, let's get our hands dirty. It's time to build this thing. Building this agent is really all about connecting a few key pieces in the right order. Each one does a specific job, and then it passes the work along to the next one in the chain. So here's our 5-step blueprint. First, we grab the latest news. Then we feed that news to an AI to brainstorm for us. After that, we organize the AI's output, store it all neatly in a spreadsheet, and finally, we get an email alert. Simple, powerful, and crazy effective. So step 1 is all about giving our agent its senses, its eyes and ears. We use something called an RSS feed, which is just a fancy way of saying we're pulling in the latest articles from any website we want. It could be a tech blog, a news site, even Google Trends. This is the raw material for our agent. Next up, step 2, and this is really the heart of the whole operation. We take that raw news we just gathered and we hand it over to an AI model. In this explainer, it's Google's Gemini. This is where the magic happens. It transforms a boring news item into a fully fleshed out content idea. So how do we tell the AI what to do? It's simple. We give it a prompt. It's just a set of instructions. We're basically saying, hey, AI, take this article and turn it into a video idea for me. I need a title, a hook, an angle, and some keywords. And hey, please format it neatly for me. That's it. Now, this next step, it might sound a little technical. Parse JSON. But trust me, it's not. All this little module does is take the structured answer from the AI and break it apart into clean, usable pieces. It's just an organizer, separating the title from the hook and the keywords so we can use them easily. Okay, we've built the brain, so now let's talk about the payoff. What does this agent actually give us at the end of the day? Let's take a look. And here it is. This is the result. The agent just starts populating a Google Sheet automatically with these perfectly organized rows of content ideas. You've got your title, a catchy hook, a specific angle to take, and all the keywords you need. Your content calendar literally starts filling itself up. But here's the thing. You don't even have to remember to check the spreadsheet. The very last step in this whole workflow is getting an email sent directly to you. The agent writes it up, pops in the new idea, and even includes a link back to the original article for context. How cool is that? We have built an incredibly powerful workflow, but there is one last critical step that takes this from being just a tool into a true self-sufficient agent. And this slide really highlights the crucial difference. What we've built so far is technically a scenario. It's a process that you have to click a button to run, but the moment you put that scenario on a schedule, it becomes an agent. It runs all on its own. And that is the real game changer. You just set a timer, you tell it, hey, run this for me every morning at 8 a.m. And that's it. You're done. The agent just works for you in the background, delivering fresh ideas to your inbox while you're probably still drinking your coffee. That's the real power of AI agents.
So now that you've seen just how easy it is to connect these digital Lego blocks and build something this useful, it really just leaves one question. When you look at your own work, your own daily grind, what's that one tedious, repetitive task you're going to automate first?